Hi, I'm Darby. A lot of people call me David. I'm from Forge Rocket Stones in South Africa, Johannesburg South. A lot of people are probably wondering in South Africa, what is a rocket stove? You're not too familiar with it, but yeah, what I do create, I've got dry tops, I've got cooking tops, I even got popoikies. So yes, these help a lot, and it's easy, economical, they're convenient. They don't use a lot of wood. They don't make a lot of smoke unless you buy wet wood. I hope you like, and thanks.